What are you doing?
What's Chloe doing?
What's Chloe doing? Wow. Hey, Chloe Bear. Can you ring the doorbell?
Oh, really?
Good girl.
Who's there?
Can you make the sun come up? Because right now it looks like it's nighttime, but it's not nighttime. Where's the sun?
This is done.
It's daytime, right?
It's daytime.
Yes. And the sun comes out in the daytime.
The sun go down.
At night it goes down. And what happens when the sun goes down?
It goes out.
The moon does.
The moon does. Then the stars come up.
Yeah, the stars come up too. Do you hear the siren? Now go look.
Yes.
I think we missed it. I think it may have passed.
Oh.
It's okay. There might be another one coming. Listen. Look out the window.
Listen, Mom. Listen. Listen. Listen.
Here it comes. Look.
Girls watching the Giants. Chloe just woke up and we're looking at
Fire
the
engine?
photos.
You see the fire engine? Did you see it?
I think I'm going to take her out.
Did you see it? Chloe Bear, did you see the fire engine?
But yeah, let me know when you get closer, because I need to let you, like, you can get into the parking garage, but, like, to get out of it, you can, just let me know. Okay. Mommy.
What do you see?
What I see.
What do you see?
Okay.
Can you count to 20?
Okay.
No.
Bye.
No. Why don't you count 20 and then we can watch it on the camera?
Watch this on the camera.
When you're done, we can watch it on the camera.
Watch this on the camera.
Okay, that's fine.